To bevel an object, enter Edit mode, and simply select the edge that you want to bevel and hit Ctrl B. To bevel multiple edge, simply select all the edge and hit Ctrl B. To bevel vertices, simply select the vertices that you want, and hit Ctrl Shift B. Selecting object face and followed by Ctrl Shift B, will bevel all connected vertices. And Ctrl B will bevel the object edge. With the handy drop-down menu that appears, you can increase the number of segments and make it convex or concave. Ctrl B will bevel an object edge, while Ctrl Shift B will bevel object vertices.